Hello, guys. If you've been eager to show off your Farlight gameplay to your Facebook friends and followers, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of streaming Farlight on Facebook, allowing you to share your in game adventures in real time. Let's get started. Before you start streaming Farlight on Facebook, it's essential to set up a gaming video creator page and set an appropriate encoder to ensure a seamless streaming experience. Next step is to go to Creator Portal. Choose where to post your live broadcast. Select your gaming video creator page. Then click on Streaming Service. Copy the stream key and/or server URL and paste into the settings of your streaming software. Don't share your stream key. Anyone who has access to it can stream videos to your post. Under Service, select Facebook Live. Go to your streaming software and start streaming. You'll see a preview of your stream on Facebook where the server URL and stream key are displayed. In the Creator Portal, tag the game and write a description for your followers. Click Go Live to begin your stream. You can also go live and manage your live streams directly from your streamer dashboard. So here you go, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.